All right, Tuesday morning, folks, quick morning update. Markets are lower in the pre. All the major stock indices are down close to 1%. The big mover this morning is oil, up over 5%. We've broken above $101 a barrel in WTI. So again, front side focus right now is the increasing tensions. Ukraine, Russia, talks this morning, or at least in the overnight, that there's more convoys moving into Kiev. So it's got the markets spooked again. FX, we're seeing dollar strength on this news. We've got Jerome Powell tomorrow testifying before Congress over the course of 2 days. Inflation still a concern, but now we're hearing talks about how the Fed could be leaning more dovish as this war between Russia and Ukraine seems to intensify. So who knows? It's going to be a big couple days to see what comes out of it, but a lot of uncertainty right now. We're seeing these markets move as a result. So strap in. It's going to be another busy day. Hope you folks have a good one. Let's trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.